Better chips on the floor, don't need no more. Wipe down the table, sweep the chips away. But here comes the cutter, making it rain. Now I'm knee deep in metal, going insane. Cut, 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 the chips flying high. I try to catch them, but they just fly by. I'm sweating it out, trying to keep score, but there's always more chips on the floor. Metal chips on the floor, don't need no more. I swept them up the back once more. From the lake to the middle, it's a constant war. Why do I keep finding chips on the floor? Metal chips on the floor, what's the deal? I just want a clean shop, is that too real? Cut them, shake them, trim them down, but there's a little pile when I look around. I'm making parts like a pro today, but those chips, man, they just don't obey. I keep them contained, or at least I try, but they're underfoot, I can't deny. I got the groove, I'm making my move, but as soon as I sweep, they just groove. They're in the corners, they're in the way. Who knew that chips could have so much say? Metal chips on the floor, don't need no more. I swept them up, but they're back once more. From the lake to the middle, it's a constant war. Why do I keep finding chips on the floor? Metal chips on the floor, what's the deal? I just want a clean shop, is that too real? Cut them, shake them, trim them down, but there's a little pile when I look around. I try to be neat, I try to be kind. The metal chips get stuck in my mind. They're like little soldiers, they don't retreat. I find them in my boots, I find them in the seat. It's a battle I'm losing day after day. I think they've got a plan, but it's hard to say. Maybe they're plotting a grand escape, but the chips are going anywhere they're on tape. Metal chips on the floor, don't need no more. I swept them up, but they're back once more. From the lake to the middle, it's a constant war. Why do I keep finding chips on the floor? Metal chips on the floor, what's the deal? I just want a clean shop, is that too real? Cut them, shake them, trim them down, but there's a little pile when I look around. So here I am, with my broom in hand, making parts, trying to understand why these metal chips won't ever leave. Maybe they're just here to make me grieve. But I'll keep sweeping ahead, ready for more, cause it's just another day with chips on the floor.